don't need me, right?
You just wanted to watch because Charlie thought it was funny.
Huh?
Charlie wanted you to watch because it was funny.
What?
He's not freaking out. He was freaking out before. He's feeling really good now. Yeah.
He comes around the corner and he bucks.
No,
He's just playing.
How'd you like to be on him when he does that?
I don't want to be on. That's just as good as lunging.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Look at poor Dugan.
Dugan says, that's enough with that crap.
Yeah.
We missed the funny. Oh, wait. Do something up here where you can see it. Silly man.
Come back up this way so you don't get on that far. He is a pretty horse.
You're gonna get. You kick your mom, you're gonna be in deep doo.
I just thought it was pretty funny. That's all. I thought the guy might enjoy it. Just like
It is funny.
At least Dugan got a little bit of exercise.
He bucked.
Yeah, I saw him. He did that with me on him once and got rid of me. I was up at my dad's place. I've been running him all day. And then just we came across this field and he decided that was it. He was going to get rid of me. Sue and Hector took off and I started running and whoa!
Here it comes. Wild man.